part 284A14, line 22f1fa19a14 Martian ice, NASA Phoenix lander rover Curiosity Wow Seti. There's the Wow Seti signal. So I googled Martian ice and the NASA Phoenix lander, and this is what I found, this picture here. Incoming. This artist's impression shows the spacecraft of Curiosity after its cruise stage has been jettisoned, roughly 10 minutes before it enters the atmosphere of Mars. Quote, when NASA's Curiosity rover attempts to land on Mars next month, which is August the 5th, which today's July the 18th, so it's only in a couple weeks, it will join a long list of missions that have sought to touch the red planet. A legacy that dates back more than 40 years. They've tried for 40 years to get on that planet. I hope they make it this time. The $2.5 billion rover, I hope so, with that kind of money, also known as the Mars Science Laboratory, is slated to attempt an unprecedented landing procedure on Mars on the night of August 5th. Curiosity is too large to use airbags to cushion its landing. Instead, the rover, which is approximately 1 ton, will weigh about 760 pounds, 345 kilograms in Martian gravity. Will descend to the Martian surface using a complex rocket-powered sky crane system, which relies on precise mechanics and timing. Once on Mars, Curiosity will look for signs that the planet was ever hospitable to life. NASA's Mars Exploration Rover program followed successfully, landing a pair of rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, on the surface of the red planet in 2003. The rovers were designed for 3-month missions to search for signs of past water activity on Mars. Instead, the intrepid pair far outlived their warranties and greatly contributed to astronomers' understanding of the planet. Mars explored, landers, and rovers since 1971. Infographic. Ground controllers lost communication with Spirit in March 2010 and were unable to retrieve contact with the rover despite multiple attempts. NASA officially declared Spirit dead in May 2011. NASA's Phoenix Mars lander was launched on August 4, 2007 and arrived at the red planet on May 25, 2008. Phoenix confirmed the presence of water ice beneath the planet's surface after digging through Martian soil. Unfortunately for the mission, the spacecraft's solar panels were damaged during the unforgiving Martian winter, and contact with the lander was lost in November 2008. Phoenix was officially declared dead in May 2010. So it's www.mnn.com. Okay? Here's the artist's impression of the Phoenix spacecraft as it lands on Mars. They're going to think they're UFOs invading them, if there's anybody living there. So we have a meteorological station, microscopy, electrochemistry and conductivity analyzer, thermal and involved gas analyzer, surface stereoscopic imager, Mars descent imager underneath, robotic arm camera, and robotic arm. Phoenix lander due to land August 5th, 2012 on Mars. Photos are from Wiki. Okay, that's the end of that video.